Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe again. Today we are going to make a simple recipe which is a nice side dish for a dosa or a idli. So this is called Pacha Puli Chutney. So Pacha Puli means raw tamarind. So this is super easy to make. You just don't need the stove also, just one step and it's ready. So let's have a look. The ingredients list is given below, do check it out. And also do check out my channel, subscribe and click the bell button for more such videos. So let's jump right in. So I've taken some small onion, tamarind, garlic and some dry red chilies in a bowl. So the tamarind has to be about a lemon size. Now we are going to pour some hot water into this, enough to submerge it nicely. So adding some more hot water. Now we'll let this soak for 10 to 15 minutes until it softens nicely. All the ingredients needs to soften. Then I've transferred everything to a bowl, a mixer jar, and then I'm adding some jaggery into this along with some salt to taste. So I've saved the soaking water here. We are going to use this water as required and grind this into a very smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Now all that is left to do is to heat some sesame oil until it smokes and then pour it over this chutney. Mix everything well and allow this chutney to sit for some time, about 10 minutes before you serve it with some dosa, idli, or you can even eat this with rice as a side dish. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.